Yeah, two. And move the old. This sucker. Check this out. Ain't had no pressure, no nothing. Tap the stabilizer pins in the shop. Only can do this side. Then I have to make my way on that side. I also did today was scuff them up. Not done yet. Scuff that up. And I made it like right here. Scuff that up. This area I ain't do yet. Scuff that up. You can really see the shit up on the inside of it. And I removed the tape on it so I can clean some of that overspray off of it. Scuff the top up. This one right here for the other side. And I'll be spraying it this weekend. I gotta spray it this weekend coming up. So I have like some runs like right there. I hit it with the pad. I also got to do this side. I ain't do that side yet.